Global tensions and supply chain disruption have forced both companies and countries to think strategically about microchip production. For example, both Apple and Tesla brought their chip manufacturing in-house, and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Corporation is opening a facility in Japan in the face of Chinese invasion concerns. So, it's notable that chipmaker Intel said it will invest $20 billion to build a new factory in Ohio in the United States with the aim of alleviating the global shortage of microchips. Ohio Governor Mike DeWine said the move is a message to China, quote, because this is about national security, is so vitally important that we make these chips right here in the United States of America. The move has the potential to establish Ohio as a technology hub. Intel said 2 planned factories will support its own line of processors as well as its new foundry business, which will build chips designed by other firms. The foundry business is currently dominated by Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing. The future production site aims to meet multiple needs, reducing supply chain pressures, bolstering U.S. national security, and bringing tech jobs to the region. The 2 factories on a 405-hectare site are expected to create 3,000 company jobs and 7,000 construction jobs. The facility will support tens of thousands of additional jobs for suppliers and partners, Intel and local state officials said Friday.